Um, Good morning, student. I am the Anna's teacher. Today's topic will be about the history of Panama Canal from its beginning to the present. The introduction of this topic. The Panama Canal is an interoceanic navigation route between the Pacific Ocean and the Caribbean Sea that crosses the Isthmus of Panama at its narrowest point, considered as one of the great works of world engineering of the 20th century. Since its inauguration on August 16, that talks about the Panama Canal. With this topic, you can develop takes well. On this occasion, they will have to prepare the vocabulary, a conceptual map, and a summary related to this topic. They will have to do it with the subtopic that I will give them for each assignment. Each task will have criteria to evaluate. It is necessary to follow them for a better qualification. Process of homeworks. Conceptual map. It will be carried out with the main theme, the entire history of the Panama Canal. The criteria must be followed. The concept map must have an order of dates from oldest to the present. Vocabulary. Sort alphabetically and illustrate all of the words. America, field routes, Pacific Ocean, navigation, logs, squads, marine transport, boats, island, land, and ports are 10 words. And the, the, the assignation summary. In this summary, the most important information about the subtheme will be extracted to the French project and administration about what happened and the agreements of the time. It has to be a minimum of 2 pages. Evaluation. Uh, the the tasks are the evaluation with summary, organization, then development, orthography, exhibition of ideas, vocabulary, illustration, calligraphy, and content. Conceptual map, coherence, punctuality, orthography, creativity, order, and cleanliness. And the conclusion. With this activity, we hope to remember the history of Panama on a very important topic such as the Panama Canal, that this is being formed to be what is today. A very interesting story related to many people of different nationalities, also as it was the channel in its beginning. How many logs it has until today, how many ships pass daily, how much money they collect daily, and all about its ancient history and how it is in today, and also in very important as the Panama Canal influence in the country. Thank you and see you the next class.